No, children, Mr. O is a very friendly character who travels with his vowel friends like OA, OW, OE and OE. These are his vowel friends. Okay? If you see any kind of vowel pair, then what you are going to pronounce that? It's a long O. It's a long O. Like, what is this? This is the picture of a boat, right? Here you can see OA, boat. Here, this is the picture of a home, home, right? O, E, home. Now, this is the picture of a crow. This is the picture of a crow. Crow, right? Now, this is the picture of a toe. What is this? It's a toe. T-O-E, toe. Now, we are going to see the chat. There are many words. You are going to read that, okay? Now, see. Long O sounds. Here, when you see only O, like in go, G-O, go. Why I pronounce it as go? Because here after the vowel there is no consonant. It's an open syllable. That's why I pronounce it as go, so, no. Okay? And here it is open, open, robot. Okay? O, pen, robot. Okay? Now here O-E, home, rope, hope, bone, those. Okay? Now here O-A. When you see O-A, O-A are always at the middle, right? And they pronounce as long O. Long O means letter O. Okay? B-O-T, boat. R-O-D, road. K-O-T, coat. Sh-O-P, soap. G-O-T, goat. Now, another vowel pair, that is O-W. O-W also says O. So here sna, O, snow. Gr, O, grow. Sl, O, slow. Window, window. Thr, O, throw. Okay, here O-E at the end of the word. See, toe, fo, then O, bow, do. Okay, now we are going to read this small paragraph. Okay, the snow-E, snowy road. See here, snowy road. One cold day, Joe rode his bike on the snowy road. He wore a coat and hoped to go home soon. On the way, he saw a goat near a boat. "Oh no," Joe said. The goat ran slow, but Joe chose to throw some food. Now, we are going to find out the words that are having long O sound, right? So, starting with snow, right? Snow, but here it is snowy, snowy. Next, road, then road, okay? Then or, coat, hoped, go, home, then goat, boat, no, Joe, goat, here slow, not this, Joe again, choose, to, throw, some. Okay, so these are the words that is having long O sound. Okay, now I am going to give one word chart. You are going to read it and make sentences using those words. Are you going to do that? Okay. Thank you for watching, my little ones. Do like, share and subscribe. And please follow and subscribe Kidoctive Homeschooling FB page and Insta.